In a direct variation problem, the constant k, which is referred to as the constant of variation or constant of proportionality, can be found if one pair of values of x and y is known. Let's take a look at an example. If y varies directly as x and y equals 5 when x equals 20, find the equation of variation. The words y varies directly as x indicate direct variation and can be represented by y equal kx. The value of k needs to be determined to complete this direct variation. To accomplish that, we will use substitution from the given information. Y equals 5 when x equals 20, replacing each of these values. Now we have an equation with one variable. To solve for that missing value of our constant of proportionality, we'll divide both sides by 20, giving us the value of k equal to 5/20ths, or the decimal equivalency of 25/100ths. Thus, the equation of variation will be y equal 0.25x. It should be noted that when y varies directly as x, the constant of proportionality is also the slope of the associated graph, the rate at which y changes with respect to x. A rise of 1 and a run of 4, 1/4, is equivalent to our 0.25.